Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 79. If we start with this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here and a 3 here, so this is our 4. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 2. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And now for this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. And I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 2, 5, and that 2 makes this our 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.